Today, we're using a high-definition video microscope to examine our wire drawing dies. Hi everyone, I'm Penny. This is the internal structure of a wire drawing die. We can see inside the inner hole. It has some grooves. These grooves are used for chip removal. That is, during the wire drawing process, the chips will flow out along these grooves and be carried away by the oil in the press. So, during wire drawing production, we must keep the working environment of the wire drawing die clean. No debris can fall into it, otherwise it will clog. Here we are looking at the side of a wire drawing die. You can see that the surface is very smooth without any scratches or wear. This indicates excellent quality, and its precision is also very high. It can guarantee the size and shape of the product. However, this type of wire drawing die has its drawbacks. Its production cost is relatively high. Because it is machined using CNC machines, it takes a lot of time and effort. And the machining accuracy requirements of the equipment are also relatively high. This isn't something a typical factory can achieve. Next, let's take a look at the front of this wire drawing die. This is the discharge port. There's a circular depression here. This is the core part of the wire drawing die. It's also the most expensive component because it withstands tremendous pressure, stretching the metal from thick to thin. It must be made of extremely hard and wear-resistant material. Now, let's zoom in a little and examine the details of this core component. You can see its smooth and delicate surface, which demonstrates high product quality. For example, its diameter, length, angles, and other parameters are all manufactured according to standard values. The error is within 0.01 millimeters. Finally, let's take a look at the overall appearance of this wire drawing die. This is a typical circular wire drawing die. Its diameter is approximately 2 millimeters. The sizing area is approximately 3 millimeters. It weighs approximately 100 grams. Overall, it looks quite compact and delicate. However, its functionality is very powerful. It can be used for wire drawing of various metal materials. We can also customize specifications based on customer needs, meet the demands of various industries. I'm Penny. Welcome back. In addition to standard tungsten carbide dies, Relink also offers high-quality nano dies, PCD dies, and SSD dies. Please contact us if you have any questions. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.